Now I'm gonna be working on a new Lianli Dynamic Evo RGB version. So this is gonna be a white and blue build. Now I've already fitted the radiators, the fans, the motherboard, and also the 4090 card, also the reservoir. So I've already tested these parts before putting the water blocks, and now I'm gonna plan for the loop layout, and maybe seeing this is almost the edge, because 4090 cards are very thick. Okay, so I might be using a vertical mount riser with a riser cable. Okay, so here is the build now. I've already painted all the parts that needs to be painted, like the CPU block, the backplate of the GPU, and also the sleeve extensions are done. On the motherboard, 24 pin, and also I'm starting to do the tube layout. So here is finished one, and then I already connected this one from the radiator to the reservoir, and then I'll just finish up with the other tubes. I think I need to do 3 more of the tubes. Okay, and I've set the cables in the front, but I still have to do the cable management in the back. Also the LED lights and the aluminum cover for the LED lights, I have to cut it and then paint it and then install the LED strips. Okay, so also I had an issue on the vertical mount. I'll just get it. I bought an extra vertical mount from Cooler Master, but because this one is too close to the glass. Okay, I don't want the tubing to be too close to the glass, so that I could, put a good lighting on it. But unfortunately, that's why I've decided to buy a vertical mount, so it would not be mounted like this. But unfortunately, when I tried to install it, uh, I needed at least 6 millimeter clearance so that this bracket could be installed there. So fortunately it did not fit, so I just turned out to the standard installation of the card. So yeah, it's fine. And what else? So that's it. I'll just be finishing the tubes and the LED brackets, the cable management on the back, and then maybe after a few days we'll put some coolant on this, and then we'll test it for a couple of days also, and then take some pictures or what. Okay. Okay, now I'm not gonna be taking a video of me installing the tubes. Instead, I'm just gonna show you how the loop layout is and some other modifications that I did on the PC. Okay, firstly, I'm doing a pressure test on the build. I'm gonna do this for about an hour, just to make sure that everything's there's no leak in the system. Okay, and then after that, that's where I'm gonna put the coolant, and then do another leak test, just the pump running, and then after that, no, I'll turn on the components. Okay, so also I did cut some acrylic cover here because there are some holes here, and then I painted it also white. I put it left and the right side. Also the aluminum covers for the LED LED strips, the RGB LED strips there, so that the light on the sides of the strip would not be in front of the eyes of the client. Also here and up top. Okay, so also I'll still arrange these cables in this one. Also I put some plastic ties, or I don't know what you call this, just to make things much cleaner, and looks nice. So okay, um, I'm just gonna finish the pressure testing, and then we'll go to the best part, filling the build with coolant. Okay, guys.